Before the opening bell, U.S. indices managed to close higher on Wednesday, lifted by shares in energy, media, and software and services sectors. On the economic front, the MBA mortgage applications, they fell a total of 3.3% for the week ended April 24th. GDP, meanwhile, that dropped a total of 4.8% in the first quarter's advanced reading, while the FOMC decided to hold its Fed funds target rate at 0.25% in line with the last meeting. This all as 80% of SP500 constituents managed to trade higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Facebook surging in extended trade after announcing first quarter sales of $17.7 billion, better than expected. Monthly active users increased 10% in March to $2.6 billion, above forecast. Microsoft reported third quarter EPS of $1.40 versus $1.14 a year ago on sales of $35 billion, up from $30.6 billion a year earlier, both figures beating expectations. Tesla jumping after hours as the company posted first quarter adjusted EPS of $1.24, while consensus anticipated a loss. Sales were up $5.99 billion from $4.5 billion a year earlier. And Twitter surging before hours after posting first quarter adjusted EPS of 11 cents, above forecast. Sales were up $808 million from $787 million a year earlier, and Boeing's credit rating downgraded to BBB- from BBB at S&P Global Ratings. Outlook stable. The ratings agency stated Boeing's earnings and cash flow over the next few years are likely to be lower than we had previously expected due to the impact of the coronavirus on aircraft demand. And Tyson Foods, a food processing company, said it will temporarily pause operations at its Dakota City beef facility, one of the largest beef processing plants in the United States, from May 1st to May 4th to complete a deep cleaning of the entire plant and screening process for plant team members for COVID-19. Now, in terms of expectations today, we do have results due out for Apple, Amazon.com, Visa, Amgen, as well as McDonald's. While on the economic docket before the opening bell, it is a Thursday, so we have initial and continuing jobless claims figures. We also have March core PCE price index, personal income, personal spending as well. Now, after the opening bell during the session, we have the EIA natural gas stockpiles report and both a 4-week and 8-week bill auction. Meanwhile, moving on to the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees a total of 2990 in sight, and that's in focus. The relative strength index advocates for further advance. Long positions above 2924 are favored with targets at 2965 and 2990 in extension. The Nasdaq sees its expectations level at 9330, while the Dow Jones sees expectations at 25,225.